Hi, I'm Haig John. I'm a chiropractor in Melbourne, Florida, and I want to talk to you about a subluxation and what a subluxation is and how it affects the innate intelligence within the system and how they're related. Innate intelligence or innate wisdom or life force in the body is the life that's communicating in this system of every living being, bringing life to it. We could call it spiritual intelligence too, but it is the life force that communicates from above down and the inside out. How the brain talks to your heart, your liver, your lungs. Could you imagine what it takes to digest your food in an intellectual way? It would be impossible. You'd be thinking about it continually. We don't even really know how it all works, that it makes living flesh. So our innate intelligence is all the stuff going on in the background. It makes your liver do all the amazing things your liver does. It tells your heart to beat. It regenerates your system. You have a brand new heart 5-6 times a year, regenerated with brand new cells made by your innate intelligence. Your innate intelligence tells your stem cells, first it creates the stem cells, then it tells the stem cells what to become, like a new heart cell or an eyeball cell or skin cell. The innate intelligence is all the life in our body. We can look at it in a metaphysical sense or a spiritual sense. We can look at it in a very scientific sense. It gives the body the energy, the life to function in all the ways that it does. If we take that educated intelligence, because we can't talk about innate without educated as well. Our educated intelligence is all the stuff that we have learned in life. Actually, even in utero, they know babies learn in utero. So it's very important to know those distinctions. That's innate intelligence. We can get more in depth in it. Also, we need to talk about subluxation and how that affects the innate intelligence and educated intelligence. First, we have to know what a subluxation is. A subluxation is a vertebra out of place affecting the nerves, the central nerve system. The vertebra is the bony housing around and protecting the central nerve system and where the nerves come through and innervate or connect to the organs of the body. The brain is on top of here in our head, and the spinal cord really is the brain outside of the head. When there's a vertebral misalignment affecting the nerve system, we call that a subluxation. Vertebra can move and not affect the nerves, and that's not a subluxation. So when we have effects, the cause and effect of the vertebra misplacing from some sort of stressor, chemical, physical, or emotional stressor, then we have a subluxation and affecting the outcome of how the body communicates from within. How does that relate to the innate intelligence of the body? Well, the innate intelligence created the body. That's that inner intelligence of how we're functioning, recreating ourselves, digesting our food, all those things. Like when that system is inhibited by communication from outside stresses, because innate is our inner wisdom, innate intelligence is 100% all the time. When there are stresses, usually outside forces, physical stress, going to the gym is a physical stress, an auto accident's a physical stress, falling, playing a game, soccer or something, that is a physical stress. There are chemical stressors. We have so many in our environment now, from the air we breathe, the food that we eat, different medications, all those things are chemical stresses in the body. Then there's emotional stress. Again, we go to that emotional stress, creating chemistry in the body, causing malfunction in the system, and subluxating the vertebra. So when we're inhibiting that innate intelligence, that communication, the wisdom within from an outside force, we subluxate. Then we have dis-ease or malfunction in the end organ. What chiropractors do is help bring that vertebra back into a healthy place, let innate intelligence communicate properly again. Sometimes we have to repeat that because we've created a strategy. The body's doing the best it can, but it created a strategy and it keeps going back to that same misalignment. As we repeat that, the body starts to realize this is much healthier. We create muscle memory, cellular memory, neurological memory, and that communication now is freer from above down, inside out, from the brain to the organ through the central nerve system. So we went through a little bit of innate intelligence, the subluxation, how a chiropractor adjusts a vertebra to allow the inner intelligence to communicate to the brain so organs can heal, pain symptoms go away. That's a side effect of chiropractic, because really the pain is the indication saying, hey, something might be going on. You can live with pain in your arm and pain in your back, but 97% of those nerves go to the organs. So ultimately the pain is saying, hey, there's another thing going on here. Very soon we're going to have dysfunction maybe in the pancreas or in the liver or in the heart. Let's create a clear pathway so we're functioning at our best. Chiropractic works with that subluxation. I can't heal you. Your body heals itself. The subluxation is the indication that there may be a problem now or maybe in the future if we cut off that nerve supply or the innate supply of life. So as we adjust you, your body gets stronger and healthier. It might not be what we want at the moment of saying getting rid of this pain, but the pain is the indication that there is an issue. It happens in the right time, not a moment before. As your body heals, pain goes away when it's right to, when the body says, okay, we're safe now. That's an important realization. I hope you got a little bit of understanding out of that, and I appreciate you very much, and hopefully we'll have some more videos for you in the near future. Have a wonderful day, and enjoy chiropractic.